morning. Oh, you know, and me. How are you? How are you?
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
You know how much easier life would be if we were just lesbians? That's what I was thinking on the way home. Why is it so unfair? Why do we have to not be lesbians?
We're only starting. Our life's not over yet.
We could try. Is there lesbian 101? Did you have fun without me?
Yeah, I was right by 10.
Well, you never go to bed by 10. You probably needed it.
Yeah.
I went to bed pretty early too.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You got in bed early or you fell asleep?
Ha
I fell asleep pretty early.
Actually, I did fall asleep early. I'm gonna put down these heavy bags and.
And your video camera?
No.
It's like 5 o'clock in the morning.
It looks adorable. I own a